Hola chicas y chicos. I don't know which camera I'm talking to. Let's talk to you. Okay, I'm back with another cooking video. I think you guys enjoyed the last one. And I thought today we're gonna do another one. For today, we're gonna do a really cheap dish, okay? And instead of doing a normal gnocchi with pesto, we're gonna level it up a little bit and do like a pesto cream sauce, okay? Oh, Pinienkerne. Where are those? You also need this. I don't know what it's called in English. This, okay? Pinienkerne. Let's call them pine nuts. I don't know. I don't care, okay? So, first of all, what you need to do is wash your hands. Really important. Wash your hands. Always wash your hands. Now then we do that, we're gonna have to boil some water. You know how to boil some water, okay? I don't have to show you how to boil water, please. While the water is boiling, we have to roast some peanuts, okay? Why do we roast them? Because every nut is better roasted. You should know that. So you need a pan like this, okay? You have a pan at home, hopefully. And then put it on full heat. No oil, okay? No oil. We're gonna roast them. If you roast something, you don't use oil. And while we are waiting, we have to cut some shallots. So now, why would you use shallots? I think shallots are tastier than the normal onion. But if you can't find shallots, of course you can use the normal onion. So you're gonna cut it in half first, because after you cut it in half, it's way easier to peel the onion, okay? If you don't cut it in half, you're gonna have to finger it. And you don't want to finger the onion, you want to finger the girl, right? Do that, cut this one off. Now, little step by step how to cut an onion, okay? First, cut it lengthwise like this. Now, after you cut it lengthwise like this, you have to cut it like this first, okay? I don't know how you're gonna call this cutting, but do it. And then chop, 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 chop. So here are your onions, perfectly cut in cubes. Do that and you're gonna impress every girl there is, right? When the pan is hot, take your pine nuts or peanuts, I don't know what are they called, and put it in. And just toast them, okay? I want to have them really toasty. Because if you toast them, they're gonna taste better and they have color and they're gonna be crispier. Now again, this dish is a vegetarian dish. And we want to eat more vegetarian in our lives, right? So yes, we're gonna cook more meat maybe next time. Maybe next time I'm gonna do a cook-off with rigato. We're gonna probably put the whole cow in the pan. But a little bit of plants and healthy food is good for everybody, right? While we're waiting, let's talk about life. So how are you guys doing? I might should be down here if I'm down here, right? I'm doing fine. How are your exams? Everybody's doing good? Everybody who has exams the next day, good luck. And everybody who already did them, congratulations guys, you have deserved a break. Look at that, that's what we like to see, right? You see that? They're like a little bit brownish, a little bit black. Don't worry, they're gonna be just fine. Okay, let's put them in our cup. Right, after you did that, put that aside somewhere where you can use it later. Now we're gonna get to the real deal, our food, okay? So you need your pan again. Turn it down a little bit, we don't use full heat anymore, we're gonna use only medium. Yeah, let's put it on medium. You need olive oil. Like that. What can we do while we are waiting? We can cut some tomatoes. Okay, I have some cherry tomatoes. They're a little bit bigger cherry tomatoes. You can get them in small, big, medium, whatever. Because they're a little bit bigger, we're gonna quarter them like this. And if they are smaller, like this, okay? Cute little quarters. If you're a little smaller, you can half them, but we are gonna quarter them. This dish is gonna get you late 100%. Why? I'm gonna tell you why, okay? First, It's so easy to make, there's no way you can fuck this up, okay? If you fuck this up, you're really bad or have two hands. Because it's only pasta, pesto and cream. Second, it's really cheap, everybody can afford that. And third, you can make it look really, really pretty. Now put in the shallots, okay? Beautiful shallots. You assist it? Alright. You like that? I do. Don't forget your cream. Get it ready because you don't want the onions to be black. So, look at this. Look at your chipola, what your daughter would say. Chipola, right? Now you can smell that it's kind of getting there, and you can also see that it's browner. Just put your cream inside, okay? Like this. Maybe I could cut the hole a little bit bigger, but who cares? Oh yeah, we love cream, especially here in Switzerland. Like that, perfect. This is what we want, okay? While the cream is cooking, as you can see, our water is more than boiling. Put some salt in there. You want to put a lot of salt in your pasta, okay? Always put a lot of salt in pasta. I hate the people who put like a little pinch of salt, it's gonna work nothing. So put a lot of salt in there, it's gonna taste like seawater, that's what you want. And then your gnocchi. Now you can use every pasta you like. Gnocchi is a little bit more expensive, but this is for a date night, okay? For a date night, use gnocchi, please. You want to impress your woman, right? Now, put it in. Woo! As much as you like, okay? I'm gonna do for 2 persons, so that's gonna be enough. What we want now is your pesto. You can make your own pesto if you want. But I have no time for that and I don't know how. So take your pesto and put like let's say 2.5 tablespoons. Okay, that's enough. 2.5 tablespoons of pesto, and then look at that. This is how you upgrade your pesto, okay? I'm sick of eating pasta with pesto. I know every one of you eats pasta with pesto. But like this, look at that. Oh, really bad. Now we're gonna let it cook and put in our tomatoes. Like that. The tomatoes don't have to be like cooked really, really well, okay? We're just gonna melt them a little bit down. Now we have our Parmigiano. Aquí, okay? Gran Padano. Always use Gran Padano. Now you can see with gnocchi, you know when they're ready. Oh, you know that gnocchi is ready when they swim up at the surface, okay? Just like that. Then we're gonna fish them out and put them inside our cream. We want to use a little bit of pasta water, okay? Pasta water is the special ingredient in all Italian dishes. It's not Parmigiano, it's not homemade pasta. The secret ingredient is always the pasta water. Right, Italians? Right? To counter that, it's water, we're gonna use cheese. Just like that. Perfect, right? A lot of cheese, everybody loves cheese. Let's put everything in there, because we have another package somewhere. Now, okay, you wanna see the magic? We're gonna get it off the heat. And now we're gonna stir it in, stir the cheese in. So, you guys know pasta with green pesto. Everybody knows pasta with green pesto. But now we have gnocchi with cream pesto sauce. Just look at that, okay? Just look how good this looks. Oh, sorry. Look at this. So you tell me you want to eat pasta with pesto, you tell me you want to eat this. I'm sure she wants to eat this, okay? We're gonna make your 2 quid dish look like a 20 quid dish, okay? How are we gonna do that? You have to garnish it like perfectly, okay? That's the most important part. Guys, if you want to get your lady laid, always take care of your presentation. Presentation is key, okay? You want to put the gnocchis in the middle, right in the middle, okay? Don't try to sabotage the dish. Right in the middle. Just like that, okay? Don't do too much, don't do too much, you don't want to do too much. Okay, so that's enough. Now I see that it's not right in the middle, so we're gonna correct that. Because I want it to be in the middle as best as possible. So guys, we have our Parmigiano ready. I'm a little bit stupid, so give me some time to open that. Take a handful of Parmigiano. You already washed your hands, okay? Really important, wash your hands. And now sprinkle it on top, okay? Just like that. Just like that. Don't do too much. If you do too much, you're gonna ruin her dish, right? So do it like this. Next we have our pesto, right? We're gonna use that. Now put some drops on the outside, just like that. And now also put some drops on the inside, like this. Only a little bit, okay? Not too much. So, just like that, okay? Nice. We're still not finished. Don't forget our, still don't know what they're called, pine nuts or something, okay? Sprinkle them lots also on top, just like that. Okay, here it is. Now, it's way better than normal gnocchi with pesto, right? So let's try it. And it looks fantastic. You take a really cheap dish and make it look like restaurant quality. And it tastes amazing. Alright, that's it guys. I hope you're like satisfied. Because there's not gonna be another cooking video for like a month. Don't forget to subscribe guys, okay? Because I'm gonna do a lot of gaming streams, and I'm not gonna promote them. So if you don't want to miss the stream, don't forget to subscribe, ring a bell, and leave a like, okay? And send me some pictures if you try that, because it's really good, and it's cheap, and it's vegetarian, and it looks amazing, and it's perfect for date night. So guys, thank you for watching. Leave a like, and see you on the next one. Bye.